The role of ionic correction in stroke management, a comparative case study. By Charan Gutala. Aims. The aim of the study is to study the effect of the level of body ions on the physical and psychological functional recovery in patients recovering from ischemic brain stroke. Study design. This is a comparative case study of two patients who suffered an ischemic stroke, where one patient is being given conventional treatment which involves pharmacological therapy with physiotherapy control, and the other patient takes the above-mentioned things along with ionic correction. Experimental. Place and duration of study. Sample, Department of Pain and Rehabilitation, Centre Hospitalier International de Kinshasa, Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo between 16th May 2020 and 1st July 2020. Methodology. This is a follow-up study of two patients with ischemic stroke associated. The first had received physiotherapy with foods having required ions and minerals for correction of the existing ionic and mineral deficiency, and the second had only received pharmacological management with conservative physiotherapy without making a change in diet. Clinical and electrolyte monitoring was performed at regular intervals in both patients. The variables of interest evaluated in both patients were FIM, motor sensory and ionic balance through blood investigation. Results. Parameters utilized in this study like FIM, motor and sensory functions, and cognitive functions were studied in control and experimental subjects and seen that levels of ions like Na2+, K+, and Ca2+ have varied a lot during the period of study between the two patients. In experimental subjects, these ion levels were maintained and increased during the study, resulting in drastic improvement in their psychophysical status, while the control group where these ions dropped resulted in deterioration of all faculties. Conclusion. The results show that ionic balance is a very important aspect in the management of patients who are affected by brain stroke. It can bring faster recovery if associated with other treatments like conventional physiotherapy and pharmacological management. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.